Hi there everyone, welcome back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you so much for joining me. So I seem to have gone from using just maybe 3 or 4 quite subdued colours to hitting the rainbow spectrum. This is my first pour that I'll be doing of 2021, although you will have actually seen a couple of videos before this, and I just decided to have a real good play and go for it. So originally my thought was to put a base down and then do the usual, pour this down the middle and do a swipe coming out either side. And then I thought, hang on, how about if the colours are the base? So I lay these down in a sort of stripe and then I swipe it all the way through with one colour. I don't know. So I thought to myself, let's go and find out. So that's what we're going to be playing with. So the first colour, I'm sure that this is a Winsor and Newton permanent pink. I'm positive it is. That's it there. Sure, that's what that one is. So I'm using that. And then the next one here, that will be a Royal and Langnickle lemon yellow. I just love this colour. It's so lemony. That's why it's called lemon yellow. Dough. So after that I have here, this is one of the folk art colour shifts, and this is the yellow flash. I really like this. It tends to go sort of green to yellow to a little bit goldy, depending, how you're looking at it. So that's this colour. This colour here is the Liquitex Basic Yellow Green. Really enjoy this colour. I really do enjoy it. It looks a bit in your face, a bit like a highlighter pen, but honestly down on the canvas it plays so well with other colours. Really like it. Next to that is the Arteza Pearl Chartreuse. So this is becoming a new favourite of mine, just because I like the colour. There it is. It's a really nice colour. Then next to that, oh sorry, I missed this one back. Yeah, how could I? That is an Arteza Pearl Papaya Orange. Yummy. So we're back to this one here, which is a Winsor and Newton Deep Turquoise. Really beautiful colour. And then next to that here I have got the Deco Art Metallic Peacock Pearl, and then bringing up the rear is a Cassart Brilliant Blue. So those are the colours. I'm doing it on a 16 by 20 canvas. What I want to do is layer these as a stripe, and then I'm going to come in and I'm intending to actually do the swipe with, I believe this is a Papaya Studio Acrylic Silver, and that's what I'm going to do. So I am just going to move those out of the way, get my book out of the way, get the paints lined up, get the canvas on, and we'll get painting. Okay, we're down on the canvas. I'm going to start laying the paint, and I think I'm going to put it in stripes down this way and then try and swipe it in that way. I'm not sure that I'm going to have enough of the coloured paint, so I've got some of this which is runoff from a previous. I believe that there's, I think it might be Payne's Grey with Papaya Studio Acrylic Silver in it. So I'm going to sort of put a couple of maybe layered down the pink and the orange, and then put a row of this down. We'll see as we go. That's probably what I'm going to do. I'm just worried I won't have enough to get the stripes. So
The way the light plays on this painting is amazing. I got it hung right opposite a window, and as you can see from the side, you kind of can see all the colours. As you come round to walk on the front of it, the colours kind of go into the background and you just get the beautiful iridescent from the silver. It's almost as if you're looking at a different picture, and then as you move again past it and look at it, say backwards over your shoulder at an angle, the colours come back to life again. Just amazing. So pleased.